Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use snap camera filters on Umingle. First, open your browser and search for snap camera version 1.21 on Google. Then open the up to down link and click on the green download button to download the file. Once the download is complete, open the setup and install snap camera. So make sure to tick the option to create a desktop icon. After the installation is finishes, untick the launch option and click finish. Now open your browser again and search for snapjaku.tv on Google. When the website opens, you will see this interface. On this site, select version 1.21 under the patch file option and click choose file. Next, go to the snap camera installation folder in programs file. Then find and open the snap folder. Then open the snap camera folder and select the snap camera application. After that, click apply patch. Then the patch file will be downloaded. Now close the browser and go to your download folder. Then right click on the downloaded application and rename it to snap camera. Then again right click and select cart. Now right click on the snap camera icon on your desktop and choose open file location. Now paste the patch file into this folder. After that, close everything and open snap camera. If everything is set up correctly, you will see that the all filters are working. You can search for any filters you like or tap to select one. For this video, I am using the potato filter. Now open your browser again and search for Umingle. Go to the website, click on video and you will see that the snap camera filters is working perfectly. If you don't see snap camera selected, you can choose it manually from the camera option. Now you can start chatting and enjoy using filters on Umingle. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.